How to use Snapchat Lens Create hidden feature. To use this feature, first of all, you have to access the Snapchat Lenses official site. Then go ahead and open the browser itself, tap on that search bar, then type in Lens Studio. Once you are in this site, all you have to do is simply tap on this download now option, sign up with your email, and once you do so, go ahead and open the application itself. Now, this official application can only be downloaded on your desktop. So once you open it on your desktop, you can use the My Lenses dashboard and you can select your target project, locate the visibility drop down menu and swap it from the public to hidden. You can also hide your lens from the public eyes, and you can also bypass coding with the built-in Gen AI suite, and you can embed dynamic real-world physics via mousepack, and you can also trigger commands with secret lens hints. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.